everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a PAYMAYA to withdraw crypto on Binance P2P trading. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, go ahead, first of all open up your particular Binance app. From over here, tap on this option of more given on top. Then from right over here, you're gonna see the section of trade again, where you can tap on this option of P2P. Once you do that, this kind of interface is gonna pop up. Now go ahead, switch to P2P on top, and then tap on this option of P2P trading. And then afterwards, you're gonna find this kind of interface. Go ahead, first tap on this little Express, and then choose from P2P to Express which one you prefer. Go to this currency section and change it if you would like, and simply choose Philippine currency for the PHP for the PAYMAYA. Then switch to sale as well, and now go ahead and enter the total amount. Once you've added the amount, tap on this option of sell with zero fee. Then this kind of interface gonna pop up. You can see from over here we already have PAYMAYA as added payment method. If you haven't, tap on add payment method, add the details, otherwise simply tap on that option and tap on confirm sale. Then the buyer, once you've got the buyer, and this is how it's gonna look like. Now tap on this option of this chat icon on top right corner to chat with them, and you simply have to provide your full name for them to confirm the transaction. Simply provide it. And now go back to PAYMAYA and check out whether you have received the amount or not, or you will also receive a text message if you have enabled the phone message service. Then once you have checked it, now go back and confirm the payment on Binance. Let them know that you have received and you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much.